In this lesson, you will learn how 2D and 3D scanners work. You will also learn about CCD sensors, OCR, passport scanning, face recognition, and medical tomography. 2D and 3D scanners. A scanner is an input device that converts a document or physical object into digital data. A 2D scanner scans flat documents. A 3D scanner captures the shape of a solid object using X, Y, and Z coordinates. How a 2D scanner works. First, the document is placed on the scanner glass. A bright lamp or LED illuminates it. A scan head moves across the page and mirrors direct the reflected image through a lens onto a CCD sensor. The 2D scanning process. The lens focuses the document image. The CCD contains many light-sensitive elements called pixels. Each pixel produces an electrical charge depending on the light it receives. Software then creates a digital image. The CCD sensor. CCD stands for charge-coupled device. It contains thousands of light-sensitive pixels. When light reaches each pixel, an electrical charge is created. These charges represent the different parts of the scanned image. OCR and image files. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It converts text in a scanned image into editable text. If the original document is a photograph, the scan is normally stored as an image file such as JPG. Passport scanning. Airports use 2D scanners to scan passport pages. OCR software identifies the printed text and places it into the correct database fields. This allows passport information to be checked automatically. Face recognition. A camera takes a live image of the passenger. Software compares it with a passport photograph. It checks features such as the distance between the eyes, nose width, cheekbone shape, jaw length, and eyebrow shape. What is a 3D scanner? A 3D scanner captures information about a solid object. It records X, Y, and Z coordinates to create a three-dimensional digital model. The model can be viewed and edited using computer software. Uses of 3D scanners. Three-dimensional scans can be used in computer-aided design, medical imaging, and manufacturing. A scanned model can also be sent to a 3D printer to create a physical copy. Tomographic scanners. Tomographic scanners build a 3D image from many thin two-dimensional slices. Each slice is stored as a digital image. The computer combines the slices to represent the complete solid object. CT MRI and SPEC. CT scanners use X-rays. MRI scanners use radio frequencies. SPECT scanners use gamma rays. They use different technologies, but each produces images of sections inside the body. Tomography example. A source scans the solid object from different positions. The computer creates a series of thin image slices. These slices are stored and combined to form a detailed three-dimensional representation. Summary. A 2D scanner converts flat documents into digital images. OCR can convert scanned text into editable text. A 3D scanner captures solid objects using three coordinates. Tomographic scanners create 3D images by combining many thin slices. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more IGCSE Computer Science revision. Visit www.tuitionharbor.com or email hello@tuitionharbor.co.uk.